Hey, Dustin Tibbetts here, financial advisor with Jazz Wealth. And I don't want to bash on the dudes today. I want to talk about why women are better investors than guys. And you can try to talk me out of this, but I work with a lot of different investors. More and more of you are coming to Jazz Wealth and letting us help you with your investments and your personal finances. I really, really appreciate it. If you're considering Jazz Wealth, just go to our website or schedule a call with me directly. I talk with every customer that wants to talk with me. So the face you're seeing right now is the voice that's going to call you when you set up a call with me. Here's the thing. Women are so much better than guys, right? And again, I'm one of them, right? So, I'm a guy. I'm going to bash on myself here a little bit, but women just beat us hands down. So there is no argument here. Let me explain why. See, the first thing is women are willing to learn. Now, they're going to verify whatever you teach them. So women have this sort of trust but verify thing going on, and that works really well in the investing world. When I speak to a woman that wants to invest, she lets me teach her why we do what we do. Maybe it's not a good fit, maybe it is, and they become a customer, but they listen. They accept what I'm teaching them and why I think we're a better choice, but then they go verify it. They do research on their own to say, okay, everything Dustin said was true. Dustin made me think of a couple extra questions, and so maybe I have more questions. Whereas guys, when I tell them what we do and why we're doing it, they tend to think, oh, that's a piece of cake. I can go do that myself. No problem. And they think they've actually solved a complex industry in a 5-minute phone call. That's not our fault. I do the same thing, right? When my washing machine breaks, I'm in there with the hammer thinking I can fix it, and it ends up costing twice as much. So women, first of all, are willing to learn more than guys, in my experience. Now, I'm not talking for all guys out there, of course. I don't want to bash anybody, but women have that open-mindedness, but they're also going to verify and learn that everything they've been taught was true. Women are also more consistent, and this is actually true in real life. I think you probably noticed if you're a woman and you're watching this, you are consistent. You do what you say you're going to do, and you work towards whatever goal you have. Guys tend to do it, but we're more easily sidetracked, right? And that's me, right? We've had a couple properties that we've flipped over the years accidentally. That's a whole story for another day. But I said, okay, today I'm going to do the flooring, and I get sidetracked. Next thing you know, I'm painting the wall and I'm buying appliances. So women are so focused, they're more consistent with their goals. Now, we have no minimums at Jazz Wealth. So when someone calls me and says, I'm just getting started, I can start with $50 a week, $100 a week, or whatever it is, they tend to stick with that. They chisel away at the long-term goals, whereas guys are always trying to find a shortcut, okay? So let me know in the comments below if I'm talking to one of you guys out there. But women, they do a great job with this. And so I wanted to just point that part out, that they are so much more consistent, which means if your wife or your spouse, your girlfriend is managing your finances for your family, you probably ought to feel pretty good about it. The third thing, not one woman has called and asked me about Bitcoin. So women don't take risks that they don't understand or even think they should understand, right? And guys, you need to listen to this one, because almost every guy that's called has had a question about Bitcoin. You don't know what Bitcoin is. You just know you see it on TV, it's supposed to take over the world, and you invest in it. You know what? By summertime of this year, there will be a new Bitcoin. There'll be some other category of the market that is hot, and you're going to start asking questions about that. So the third thing is women don't take excess or ridiculous risks. They understand that slow and steady is the pace. They know what they have to do to get there, and they're consistent about focusing on that. Guys, drop the Bitcoin thing already. And the fourth thing, I think I can speak to everybody that would understand this, but the fourth thing is when a woman sets her mind to something, she gets it done. Now, some of you may have experienced this on the bad end. If you treated your woman sort of wrong, you saw how she'll set her mind to something and get back at you for it. But when women put their minds to a goal, they're so much better at it. And I'm speaking about the clients that I have at Jazz Wealth. Every woman that has been started with us and has been kind of going along with their retirement investments, when they want something, they're going to get it. And they work at it, they're consistent with it. They don't call every day and say, should we change this, should we change that? They know, they've done their research, they know where they need to be, and they're focused on it. And for those reasons, that's why women always beat guys when it comes to retirement investing. So let me know what you think. Am I way off track here? Women, did I just get it wrong? Do I have some of the best clients ever and you don't feel that way? Or guys, did I push a little too hard? Did I hit some little nerve there that you understand but you want to fight me on YouTube? Let me know. I can handle it.
Take it, Satch.